Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to show or hide EFI system reserved partition. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. EFI system partition, no options displayed. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list disk. Select disk number. Select disk 0. Type list part. Find system partition number. Select partition 2. Type assign letter equal to L. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type lcalan. Type dir/a. Type remove letter equal to L. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.